back to my channel. So today I have a really cute swimsuit haul. You guys know swimsuits are probably literally my favorite form of clothing, like ever. If I could live in a bikini every single day, I probably would, but you know, we have to wear clothes here. So today I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of really cute swimsuits that I got from amiclubwear.com. If you guys have never heard of them, they have really cute, inexpensive swimsuits. Literally some swimsuits here, like in the LA area that are really popular are like $300 for each suit. And you can buy like, I don't even know, 20 swimsuits on amiclubwear for that price. A lot of them are literally like $20. So definitely check out this video if you guys want to see the cutest summer swimsuit haul. This really sexy, flashy gold swimsuit with a bunch of straps on the side. And I do feel like it kind of creates, like actually contours your body, like kind of like how makeup does it. This one is high cut. I love the high cut looks because I feel like it makes everybody have like curvier hips. I like the crisscross in the front, and I love the mesh, and I really love the back as well. It is really sexy in the back. And maybe if there's a crush or a guy that you like, you should definitely wear this swimsuit. I love it. And it's like sexy and kind of simple at the same time because the color is not so over the top. But I love a black swimsuit, a good one, and this one is a really good one. The next swimsuit is a really sexy one, but it's definitely a dramatic one because it does come with a red cover-up robe. So I wore them all together because I feel like, you know, I want drama and I want to look good. So it's a two-piece bikini top and a bottom. If you are doing a swim photo shoot, I definitely recommend wearing something like this because it's a full set and it's a complete look. This one is silver. It is definitely super backless, super low in the back, really hot. And the front and the side is like what makes this suit. I feel like it's like a really fun diva sort of swimsuit. This one is probably one of the flashiest ones that I got in today's collection. It is so cute and so sexy. It's totally like a Vegas pool party Barbie swimsuit. The next swimsuit I want to show you guys it is a blue swimsuit with hot pink crisscross lace up in the front and the sides. Everybody will look at you. So I really love this suit, even though I feel like when you look at it, it's kind of like, oh, you know what, it might look like it's really covered, but it's really not. It gave me so much cleavage. It was so sexy and it was so fun to wear. I loved wearing it. The next outfit I want to show you guys is more of I feel like this one's more of like a fun girl next door sort of swimsuit. It is a one-piece pink striped swimsuit, definitely like nautical vibes, boat party. If you want to be like a little bit more like girl next door or something like that, I feel like I recommend this swimsuit. It's so cute. I like shot it right by some flowers and had some fun with it. So love this suit, and I also hiked up the side so it's kind of like high-waisted, and that's just how I like to wear suits, and I feel like it looks so cute like that. The next item is something that I'm wearing actually right over this bikini. It is a crochet off the shoulder white dress, and it's a cover-up dress. I love this cover-up. It probably is like literally one of my favorite cover-ups right now. Alright guys, so that's it for my bikini summer try-on haul. I hope you guys liked it. I am so excited to wear all these bikinis this summer. I'm literally gonna kill it. It's gonna be so much fun. If you guys want to see more videos from AMI Clubwear, don't forget to subscribe to their channel. And also if you guys want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah. Hey guys, I am on the way to the Tatcha Gratitude Getaway trip. I'm so excited because it is in Malibu, so it's pretty local to me. I actually go to Malibu quite often to shoot and also to hang out with my friends. And this place we're staying at is somewhere I've always wanted to stay. It's